everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to easily redeem your gift card codes on your Xbox Series X. And to do this, just on the home screen here, let's go to the Microsoft Store and select A on this. Then on the left side here, let's scroll on down. And we have this section just for redeem. Select A on this. And then we can redeem our gift code right here. So this one says enter the 25 character code and place it all in here and then go to check code, and you should be able to redeem it right here. So if you are adding funds to your wallet or something like that, or you're increasing your subscription, you can check that there. Then we can go to this section and we can decide what we want to buy. So if you added money to your account, maybe you want to try Game Pass Ultimate for $1 for the month, go ahead and do that. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.